Saint Francis de Sales, a saint for all and family. Through the spiritual classic Introduction to the Devout Life, Saint Francis de Sales taught that all are called to holiness. This was his universal call to all. This book was written especially for lay persons who seek personal moral improvement and strive for spiritual perfection. It is sure to bring comfort to the weary and guidance to all of us who from time to time lose our way. Devotion is to be practiced differently by the nobleman, the workman, the servant, the prince, the widow, the young girl, the wife. Even more than this, the practice of devotion has to be adapted to the strength, the life situation and duties of each individual. He says that spiritual life is for everyone. Everyone is expected to lead and live a spiritual life according to one's vocation or state of life. Francis de Sales spirituality helps us to live out our faith in our daily lives. The spiritual classic of de Sales continues to guide all those seeking to live out their baptismal commitment by living Jesus in all aspects of their life. He continues to say that the present moment is where we live our lives. The past is over, the future is yet to be. Now is the time of salvation. Truly, devout life enhances, does not detract from one's life. Real devotion never inconveniences others. The devout life is a process. It only happens with grace, perseverance, and patience over a lifetime. One is always striving to be devout. De Sales spirituality is primarily a matter of conversion of the heart. It is therefore something interior. We are called to be patient with everyone, especially with ourselves. Live Jesus.